Hello friends, welcome again to my channel. We are doing admission of partner, accounting treatment of goodwill, class 12 accountancy, and we are doing accounting treatment of goodwill, case number 3. Now case number 3 says when premium for goodwill is brought in kind by the new partner. Or what is brought in kind? Kind means other than cash, he is paying some assets for the amount of goodwill. So the journal entry will be assets account DR to premium for goodwill to new partners capital if he is bringing some capital for his share. Then premium for goodwill account DR to sacrificing partners capital or current account. So these two journal entries will be required when the new partner brings his share of goodwill in kind. In kind means that he is not paying cash for this, he is giving some assets, he is paying some assets to the firm for his share of goodwill. And if he is if he is getting the capital, you will write new partners capital also. Remember one thing, that to new partners capital account will be recorded only if the new partner is bringing his capital, and otherwise he will not, you will not record this journal entry. You will record only asset account DR to premium for goodwill account. New partners capital account will be recorded only when the new partner brings capital in the new firm. Then case number 4. Case number 4 says what happens if the new partner is not able to bring his share of premium for goodwill in cash. Now what happens? Now it's a big question कि क्या होगा अगर न्यू पार्टनर अपना प्रीमियम का शेयर ना ला पाए तो. Now what happens in that case? If the new partner brings capital, you will pass this entry cash account DR to new partner's capital account. But if he is not bringing capital, then you will not pass this first journal entry. Second journal entry, you will write new partner's current account if he is not able to bring his goodwill of premium in cash. अगर नया पार्टनर गुडविल का पैसा ना ला पाए तो आप एक ही जनरल एंट्री करेंगे, और वो जनरल एंट्री है न्यू पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट DR टू सैक्रिफाइसिंग पार्टनर्स कैपिटल और करंट अकाउंट. सो इन प्लेस ऑफ प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल अकाउंट DR, what you will write? New partners current account if he is not able to bring his share of goodwill in cash. So that's all for the day, students. Thank you very much.